also apply the custom property. We sent one custom property, right? That can also be used in like message selection. Okay. Message. Actually, that was the next one. Too. Proxies should consume based on some criteria. Selection criteria is evaluated on the JMS server. Okay. So, guys, today we covered a lot of related to JMS. Okay. Just to break it down, we started with queues, consuming queues, producing queues, and then topics, consuming, from a topic, and then, producing in an interior topic, and then also trying out durable and non-durable, and then we moved on to, headers, right? There are like a lot of headers. Now, in this, see, as we cruise through OSB, a few things like, this inbound variable, that outbound, or inbound, outbound, or that pipeline, this pipe, those things might not still sit well with you, right? Because like we said at the very start, the focus is just on JMS and OSP. For some things, which are not too obvious at this time, just follow the suit. Like, so he just selected pipeline, you might not know the reason why. Just go ahead and select it and do it. As we cover a few other topics, slowly we would have touched almost, all the core items. That way it will start to make sense, from there on. Now, there are like few more things that we want to do when it comes to JMS. Like that one thing that I was mentioning about that request response, maybe using that correlation thing, and then like few other scenarios. So what I want to do is like today, we will talk through like few labs that I want each and every one of you to work through them. You will have to work through. Oh, I understood this. I can do this. Then that doesn't serve the purpose. So let's once we go through the labs, things will get even more clear. And then tomorrow's session will be to that depends, how much time is needed to go into this app. But again, since we have a lot, tomorrow's session, I have like a couple of more small things related to JMS, and then we can just have more like a discussion or going through labs and see, what issues, any issues that we can discuss. But there is since JMS is the background of SOA, it's built on special SOA, so we have make sure that these things are clear and work through the labs. And so the labs in this case is okay, labs. One is create consumers and producers for both queues and topics. Okay, and then create both non-durable and durable topic consumers. Okay, and then add manipulate JMS priority header, and also add custom header. And yeah, these are the labs. Okay, make sure that you take time to work through these, and then because we have I mean there is another, I would do another session on JMS maybe towards the end, that is maybe talking more on reliable messaging with JMS, and just exploring few more advanced scenarios. But those things will not make sense, if these things are not clear. Okay, so any questions? Is there any restriction on the number of messages you are saying that you can be sent? Yeah, but by default there are some settings. When for the when we were creating those resources to the console, you have some default settings. Okay, the size of the messages, the time to live, and like various things. And there, you can specify and change things. But I mean, there is of course, the higher the greater that number, the more memory and other things are like taken up. But yes, those are definitely configurable parameters. When you go into the console under those resources, you will be able to look at them. Okay. All right, guys, and please be open with questions. Let me not go ahead if you have any questions, so that we discuss them on the spot while we are on them. It's not. Yeah, and then also, like while you are working through, when you get into questions, email me. Don't save it for the next session. So email me right down there, and and then hopefully I will reply them as I find time. Okay. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Sure, no problem. Bye.